Hello everyone. Today's topic is Deaf Olympic. Earlier we have International Paralympic and International Paralympic. We just go through Paralympic motto, Paralympic symbols, Paralympic flags, Paralympic torch and flame, Paralympic oath and opening ceremony of Paralympic. Closing ceremony, awards, Paralympic term, developing through value through Paralympic. Now it's Deaf Olympic. As you know, डेफ ओलंपिक डेफ का मतलब क्या होता है? जो सुन नहीं सकते, गूंगे और बहरे. Officially, the game were originally called the International Game of Deaf from 1924 to 1965, but were sometime also referred to as the International Silent Game. From 1966 to 1999, they are called the World Game of Deaf and occasionally referred to as the World Silent Game. From 2001, the game have been known by their current name Deaf Olympic, often mistakenly called by Deaf Olympic. The Deaf Olympic, previously called World Game of Deaf and International Game of Deaf, are an international game committee sensitive even at which Deaf Olympic compete at an elite level, unlike the another in the other IOC sanctioned event, the Olympic, the Paralympic, and the Special Olympic. The Deaf Olympic cannot be guided by sound. For example, the starter guns, bullhorn, commands, or referee whistle. The game has been organized by the committee International Deaf Sports Deaf Sound, the International Committee of Sports for the Deaf. Since the first event, the Deaf Olympic were held every 4 years, and there are a longest running multi sports event excluding the Olympic themselves. The first game held in Paris 1924, where also the first even international sporting event for athletics with disability. The event has been held every 4 years since, apart from break for World War II, and an additional event, the Deaf Olympic Winter Game, was added in 1949. The game began as a small gathering of 148 athletes from 9 European nations completing the International Silent Game in Paris, France, 1922 24. Now they have grown into a global movement. The qualify for the game, athlete must have hearing loss of at least 55 BB. The game begin as a hearing better ear. Hearing aids, cochlear implants and like are not allowed to be used in competition. To place all athletes on the same level, their example of way the game vary from hearing competition are the manner in which they are officiated. To address the issue, the Deaf Olympic not being able to guided by sound, certain sports use alternative method of communicating the game. For example, the football referee was flagged instead of blowing the whistle. On the track, racer are started by using light instead of starter pistol. It is also customary for spectators not to cheer or clap, but rather they wave, usually with both hand. ये डेफ ओलंपिक के लिए बहुत ही यूनिक और बहुत ही स्पेशल चेंजेस थे कि भी कैसे उनको ट्रीटमेंट किया जाए, क्योंकि वो सुन ही नहीं सकते, दे कैन नॉट हेयर। तो उनके लिए इन्होंने स्पेशली चीज़ बनाई गई है कि जो जिस चीज़ का साउंड है उस चीज़ को साउंड ना करके फिज़िकली और विजुअली उस चीज़ को दिखाया जाए, ताकि वो उस चीज़ को देख सकें, ना कि वो सुन सकें, क्योंकि वो सुन ही नहीं सकते। तो उनके लिए हम हाथ वेव करके चीयर अप करते हैं ताकि वो देख सकें। द डेट द समर डेफ ओलंपिक हैज़ बीन होस्टेड बाय 36 सिटी in 21 countries, but by cities outside Europe only 5 occasion: Washington DC 1965, Los Angeles 1985, Christchurch 1989, Melbourne 2005, and Taipei 2009. The last Summer Games were held in Sofia, Bulgaria in 2013, and the next scheduled Summer Games held in Sansuni, Turkey in 2017. The last Winter Games were held in Khanty-Mansisk, Russia Federation in 2015. The 2011 Winter Games, scheduled to be held in Wysok, Turkey, Slovakia, were cancelled due to lack of readiness by the organizing committee to host the game. The International Committee of Deaf Sports filed a criminal complaint against the Slovak Deaf Olympic Organizing Committee and its president, Mr. Zoramik Ruda. The criminal complaint demand reimbursement of the fund that were transferred to the Slovak Deaf Olympic Organizing Committee from National Deaf Sports Federation to cover hotel accommodation and other Deaf Olympic related expenses. According to the Slovak newspaper SME, Jaromir Rudra, head of Slovak Organizing Committee, is a champion to promise and someone who is accused of 1.6 million euro Deaf Olympic related fraud. In a letter to the United States Deaf Olympic International Committee, the Sports for Deaf ICST President Craig Crowley expressed his deep apology for the cancellation of the 17th Winter Deaf Olympic. Currently, the Slovak Deaf Olympic Committee and the Slovak Association of Deaf Sportsperson Union has been suspended. In 2013, the Special Criminal Court of Bonska Bastria sentenced Ruda to the prison term of 14 and half years from defrauding $1.6 million that should have been used for Winter Olympic, Deaf Olympic. Deaf Olympic idea. The idea of Deaf Olympic are pre-ludo equitels, which means the cherish the value, the spirit of Deaf Olympic, where the deaf athletes strive to reach the pinnacle of competition by equality through sports and daring the idea of Olympic eligibility. To eligible the complete in Deaf Olympic, athlete must have hearing loss at least 55 decibel in the better ear. They must first meet minimum eligibility criteria and be a member of affiliated national association athlete are at least athlete are forbidden forbidden to use any kind of hearing amplification during competition to avoid taking an unfair advantage over those not using their these devices. Now, symbol of Deaf Olympic. The logo design in 2003 by graphic design artist Rolf Frendas is a positive and powerful symbol of the International Deaf Olympic Committee. It's tied together strong elements, sign language, deaf and international culture, unity of continuity, continuity, the hand shape, okay, good and great. The overlap each other in a circle. Representing the original sign of Deaf Olympic together, the hand shape represent the sign of united and the center of the logo represent the iris of the eyes, which define deaf people are visually people. They must use their eyes to communicate. The logo incorporates for the four colors of national flags of the world. Red, blue, yellow and green represent the four region confederations: the Asia Pacific Deaf Sports Confederation, the European Deaf Sports Organization, the Pan American Deaf Sports Organization, and the Confederation of African Deaf Sports. Country hosting the five Summer Deaf Olympic Game 16th 2001 Rome, Italy. 20th 19th 20th 2005 Melbourne, Australia. 21st 2009 Taipei, China. 22nd 2013 Sofia, Bulgaria. 23rd 2017 Samsun, Turkey. Country host last five Winter Deaf Olympic. 11 15 2013 Sweden. 16 2007 USA. 17 2011 Slovakia. 18 2015 Russia and 19 2009 Italy.